Good morning students. Through this video lecture we are going to study about biodiversity chapter which is included in our NEET syllabus. Biodiversity, it is nothing but diversification of number of species of specific organism. Maybe of plant, maybe of animal. There are lots of species available on the earth. For example, more than 20,000 species of ants, more than 20,000 species of orchids, more than 28,000 species of fishes, and more than 3 lakh species of beetles are present on the earth. In biosphere, biodiversity exists not only on a species level but also at all levels of biological organization, ranging from macromolecules within cells to biomes. One of the sociobiologists, Edward Wilson, he grouped all the level of biodiversity into 3 groups. These are genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. In genetic diversity, a single species might show high diversity at genetic level over its distributional range. We are having 3 examples in India which shows genetic diversity. For example, a genetic variation seen in medicinal plant Rauwolfia vomitoria, which is found in Himalayan range. From this plant, active chemical reserpine obtained. This reserpine, it shows variation in potency and concentration collected from Rauwolfia vomitoria of Himalayan ranges. Like this, in India, there are more than 50,000 different strains of rice and more than 1,000 varieties of mangoes are present. In species level diversification, we can say in India, at Western Ghat, there are more amphibian species than Eastern Ghat. Like this, in ecological diversity, again we will take the examples of India. In India, there are different habitat present in the form of desert, rainforest, mangroves, coral reefs, wetland, estuaries, and alpine meadows. Because of different habitat in India, India have greater ecosystem diversity than Scandinavian country like Norway. Millions of years required for evolution, that is, for rich diversity in nature, but it could lose in less than 2 centuries. The wise management of biosphere for the benefit of all life in such a way that natural ecosystems are maintained as well as utilized in planned manner is called conservation of natural resources. This time there is a need for conservation of these natural resources for different purposes. That is, to preserve quality of environment, to prevent wastage and spoilage of natural resources, to improve and renew their quality along with usefulness, to preserve biological diversity, to ensure a continuous production of useful plants, animals, and materials, by establishing a balanced cycle of harvest and removal. Number of species on earth as well as in India by IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. According to this organization, in 2004, they had given the total number of plants and animal species slightly more than 1.5 million. This estimation was given by IUCN in 2004. For many taxonomic group, species inventories are more complete in temperate region than in tropical countries. The large proportion of species still waiting to discover in tropics or tropical areas. There is a statistical comparison of temperate and tropical species richness or biodiversity richness is given by group of insects and extrapolate ratio to other group of animals and plants to come up with gross estimate of total number of species on earth, and according to this estimation, right, we can say the species it is about 20 to 50 million or more than this. In India, the total land occupied by India of the world it is 2.4%, and the global species richness share of India is 8.1%. India included as one of the 12 mega diversity countries of the world. Till now, near about 45,000 species of plants and twice as many of animal species are discovered in India, but nearly 1 lakh plant species, 3 lakh animal species yet to be discovered in India. This number is still wait to be discovered in India. Globally, only 22% of total species recorded, while rest waiting to discover. The large fraction of these species treat to extinct even before discovering. Nature's biological library is burning even before we catalogued titles of all books stocked over there. Means the speed of loss of biodiversity is very much fast as compared to its discovery. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the second part of this chapter, that is biodiversity.